Hello traders, today we are discussing how to differentiate between strong highs, lows and weak ones in trading. Aggression is key when identifying strong highs, lows. And the most common example of a reactive aggressive candle is a pin bar. If there is a swing low where you can see a strong and quick rejection of lower prices followed by an aggressive up move, you are looking at a strong low. The long tail means that there was a strong and aggressive reaction activity. This is exactly how you tell strong high-low from weak high-low. You can see another example of aggressiveness here. Show strong high on 5-minute chart. Remember that you are looking for aggression at highs, lows and not for any particular candle formations. That's it, traders. Distinguishing strong highs lows from weak highs lows is crucial in trading. Remember, it's not a standalone strategy, but it's an essential factor to consider when making trading decisions. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.